personal finance video. In this video, I will teach you how to calculate the compound interest in an Excel sheet. Guys, remember, the compound interest is a very important concept and term in finance. Why? Because the compound interest can give you higher returns on your savings and investments, but also can play against you when you are paying interest on a loan, for example. Compound interest is the addition of interest to a principal sum of a deposit or a loan. Compound interest means interest on interest. It's like reinvesting the interest. Guys, let me explain you how to calculate the compound interest in Excel. Let's see. Okay guys, so for this example, we're going to use an interest, a compound interest of 2.5%. 2.5%. Okay? So let's go to the cell A1. We type year. B1 we type value. Okay? And C1 we type interest earned. So now the first year 0, right? Then 1, and then you can replicate the year as much as you want. Let's try with 30 years. Let's say you are saving for your retirement, okay? It's a retirement plan or something like that. Okay, let's calculate into 30 years. So the value will be our investment, the amount that we want to invest. Let's say we just invest 5,000 USD, okay? Just as an example. So 5,000 USD using an interest of 2.5%. So year 0, 5,000. How much we earn at the first year? Let's calculate it. The formula will be equal B2, that means 5,000, plus left parenthesis B2, the same 5,000, but now multiply by 0.025. Right? Is the first year amount plus the interest rate. There you are, 5,125. Then we replicate this formula for the next years. Then you can see how much we're earning through the pass of the time. And now we will calculate the interest earned. We type 0 in C2 cell, and then in C3 cell we type equal B3 minus B $2. This means that your interest is being compounded annually at 2.5%. The first year, thanks to our compound interest, we got 125. Then you can see, for example, the year 9 we got more than 900 USD, etc., etc. Let's calculate the value of our investment into 30 years. Wow. How about the interest we earn? Let's replicate this number longer in the future. Let's see. 30 years. Wow. Can you see the numbers? How they change? Okay, so in this cell we got $5,232. That's what we got just thanks to compound interest rate after 30 years. And this cell, B31, this cell, it shows more than 10,000 USD. So we are getting more than double as that we invest at the beginning. Okay guys, this is all for this video. I hope that this material will be very helpful for you. This Excel sheet, you can use it next time that you want to invest or even save, or even if you want to go to a bank to take a loan. right? Now that you know that using compound interest, you can calculate on your Excel sheet all the amounts of investments, right? And interest. Okay guys, so please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Don't forget to like our videos, comment if you have any questions, and of course, share with your friends. See you next week. Bye bye.